So for this one, and again, we've already done the hardest ones with parallel lines. This one's pretty easy. They give us a line, and then they give us a point above the line, and we are supposed to draw a perpendicular line that goes through that point and then hits this line. So this should be a 90-degree angle, like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our compass. So get your compass ready, and we're going to put it on point P. And we are going to cross this compass on this line twice. So I chose a measurement that fit. And then I crossed it here using the same measurement. I crossed it on this line over, the same line, but on the other side to do that. So again, I just took this, made this mark, then using the same measurement, I made the same mark over here. And so this intersection point over here and here makes P the midpoint of those 2 points. So again, I put it on P. It actually works better if it's upside down. I'm going to go upside down to do it. Mine got kind of messed up, so I'm going to start over. So P, just choosing a distance, making a mark here, and then over on this side too. And that intersection point right here and here, P is the midpoint of those 2 points. Then I'm going to leave my paper upside down because it's a little bit easier to work with. From this point, make a cross, and then using the same distance, cross it like that, and then connect P to that intersection point, like that. Cool. And so that would be a perpendicular line to line M. Perpendicular as in a 90-degree angle. Okay. The next one, I'm going to do the same thing, walking through the steps. So I'm going to put this on point P, and then make 2 marks on each side. And I'm going to flip my paper over because it's easier for me. So I'm putting this on P, making a mark here, then using the same measurement, make a mark over here. This point and this point, it says to label it A and B. And then from this point, just choose a measure, make a mark up here, and then using the same measure, put it on B and cross it. Last step, connect your points. Okay, continuing with number 2, again, put my paper upside down so it's easier to work with. Making a mark here and here. And then using those intersection points. So P is the midpoint of those 2 points now. And then connecting the dots.